Hey everyone in the USA, are you tired of inflation eating your paycheck while bills keep rising? What if I told you that in 2026, you can create a real $1,000 gummits per month passive income using only free AI tools? No experience needed, no big investment, and you can do it in your spare time. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step system regular people are using to create and sell digital products on Etsy. Stay until the end. Why is this method exploding in 2026? Americans are desperate for extra income but don't have time for another job. Etsy buyers are spending billions on digital downloads like planners, trackers, and worksheets. AI now lets anyone create professional products in minutes instead of weeks. This creates a perfect passive income opportunity where you make the product once and sell it forever. The beauty of this system is that it becomes completely passive after the initial setup. You create digital products once using AI, list them on Etsy, and then earn money while you sleep. Thousands of regular sellers in the USA are already making between $1,000 to $5,000 per month doing exactly this. And the best part is that you don't need any design skills or expensive software to get started. You only need 3 simple tools to start this business. First, ChatGPT for generating high-quality content and ideas quickly. Second, Canva for turning those ideas into beautiful and professional-looking digital products. Third, Etsy for selling your products. That's it. No paid ads, no inventory, and no shipping are required. Everything is digital, so once you create a product, it can be sold thousands of times with almost zero extra work. Step 1 is choosing a profitable niche that sells well. Focus on evergreen topics like fitness planners, budget trackers, wedding checklists, habit trackers, or student study guides. These kinds of digital products sell consistently year after year. Use ChatGPT to research what is currently trending on Etsy and what people are actively searching for and willing to pay money for right now. Step 2 is creating your first digital product with AI. Ask ChatGPT to generate complete content for a 30-page planner, workbook, or checklist. Make sure the content is useful, well-structured, and valuable for the customer. Then take that content to Canva and turn it into a beautiful professional PDF using high-quality templates. The whole process usually takes less than 2 hours for your first product. Step 3 is designing the product professionally so it looks premium and attractive. Canva has thousands of ready-made templates specifically for digital products. Use clean layouts, attractive colors, and modern fonts to make everything look high quality. Add your own branding and create an eye-catching cover because the thumbnail is what makes people stop scrolling and actually click to buy your product. Step 4 is listing your product on Etsy, which is a very important step. Create a strong and clear title that includes the exact words people actually search for. Write a detailed description that explains the benefits and what customers will get. Upload high-quality mock-up images showing how the product looks when used. Set a realistic price between $7 to $15 depending on the size and value of your product. Step 5 is optimizing your listing for Etsy search so more people can find your product. Use relevant tags and keywords that buyers are actually typing in the search bar. Etsy's algorithm loves new listings that have good quality photos and detailed descriptions. The better you optimize your title, tags, and description, the more organic traffic your product will get without spending any money on ads. Once your first product is live on Etsy, don't stop there. Create 4 to 5 more related products in the same niche. For example, if you made a fitness planner, create a meal planner, workout tracker, progress journal, and habit tracker. This creates a complete product bundle that customers love to buy together, which increases your average order value and monthly earnings significantly. Step 6 is promoting your shop smartly to get your first sales faster. Share your products in relevant Facebook groups and Pinterest boards where your target audience is active. You can also create simple TikTok or Instagram reels showing how you made the product with AI. The main goal is to get your first few sales quickly so that Etsy's algorithm starts showing your listing to more people organically. After you get your first 10 to 20 sales, shift your main focus toward collecting customer reviews. Always politely ask happy buyers to leave honest feedback after they download and use the product. Positive reviews build strong trust with new customers and help Etsy's algorithm push your listings higher in search results. This is exactly how your passive income starts growing consistently, month after month. Step 7 is scaling your business with automation. Once you have 8 to 10 products already live in your shop, start creating more products in the same profitable niche. Use ChatGPT to quickly generate new variations, ideas, and content. The more related products you have in one niche, the more money you earn with very little extra effort, because customers often buy several items together from the same shop. Many regular Americans are already making over $1,000 per month with this exact method. Some dedicated sellers are earning between $3,000 to $5,000 monthly after just 4 to 6 months of consistent work. The best part is that your digital products keep selling automatically 24 hours a day, even when you are busy with your full-time job or sleeping at night. This is genuine passive income at its best. Here are the most common mistakes that many beginners make when starting. First, trying to make everything perfect before launching your first product. Start with good enough and improve it later based on customer feedback. Second, not doing proper keyword research before listing. Third, giving up too early after the first month when sales are slow. Consistency and patience is what separates successful sellers from others. To reach $1,000 per month or even more, you should aim to have at least 15 to 20 active products in your Etsy shop. Focus mainly on evergreen niches that sell consistently throughout the year. Regularly update your best-selling products with new versions and improved designs. This smart strategy keeps your shop fresh, boosts visibility, and helps you maintain steady passive income month after month. If you have a full-time job, this method is absolutely perfect for you. You only need to dedicate 1 to 2 hours per day in the beginning to create your products. After your first 10 products are live on Etsy, most of the income becomes almost completely passive. Many people with regular 9-to-5 jobs are quietly earning an extra $1,000 or more every month this way, without quitting their current job. Remember, real success in this business comes from taking consistent small actions every single week. Don't try to create 10 products in one day because that leads to burnout. Instead, focus on making just one good quality product per week. Over time, your shop will grow naturally, your products will gain momentum, and your passive income will increase month after month if you stay consistent. The most important lesson from this whole process is that AI has truly democratized digital product creation. Anyone, no matter their age, background, or previous skills, can now create professional quality products very quickly and easily. The only real difference between those who succeed and those who don't is who actually takes action and stays consistent with their efforts over time. You don't need to be a professional designer or have any special skills to succeed with this method. You just need to follow the simple system step by step and keep learning as you go along. Thousands of regular Americans are already building real passive income with AI every single month. You can be one of them too if you start taking consistent action today instead of just watching videos. Start small, but always think long-term in this business. Your first product may not sell right away, and that is completely normal for most new sellers. However, your 5th or 10th product will usually start generating consistent sales. Every new product you add increases your chances of making steady monthly income. Patience and persistence are your greatest advantages on this journey. Track your sales regularly and see which products are performing the best. Double down on the products that sell well by creating more variations and similar items in the same niche. This is exactly how smart and successful sellers scale their earnings from $200 to $1,100 and even beyond per month. The whole system becomes much easier once you understand how Etsy works and what your customers really want. The opportunity with AI and digital products is bigger than ever before in 2026. More people than ever are actively looking for digital solutions to save both time and money in their daily lives. If you start taking consistent action right now and remain patient, you can build a real online asset that generates passive income for years to come, even while you continue your full-time job. You now have a complete roadmap to create $1,000 per month passive income with AI. The only thing left is to take action today. Start with one product, follow the steps, and stay consistent. Real change happens when you move from watching to doing. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, comment AI 1000 below, like the video, and subscribe for more practical money-making guides. See you in the next video. All the best.